Hey, nature lovers and tech enthusiasts! Today we're merging the great outdoors with cutting-edge technology. Get ready for 5 incredible DIY projects that'll blow your mind. First up, we're creating a magical, touch-sensitive leaf. You'll need some materials: large leaves or bark pieces, a graphite pencil or copper tape, a microcontroller like an Arduino, and LEDs or small speakers. Here's what to do. Draw conductive patterns on the leaves using graphite or apply copper tape. Next, connect the leaves to the microcontroller inputs. Program the microcontroller to trigger LEDs or sounds when touched. Finally, test and adjust the sensitivity. Pro tip: try different leaf types for varied textures and conductivity. Next, we're bringing driftwood to life with solar power. For this project, you'll need driftwood or large stones, small solar panels, LEDs or tiny motors, wire and connectors. The steps are simple. Arrange the driftwood or stones into a pleasing sculpture. Attach the solar panels to sun-facing areas, then wire the LEDs or motors to the solar panels. This will create movement or light patterns. Nature. Hack: position your sculpture for maximum sunlight exposure. Let's build a smart home for our plant friends. Here's what you'll need: a glass container, soil, rocks, and small plants, moisture and temperature sensors, an Arduino or similar microcontroller, and LED indicators. First, create the terrarium base with rocks and soil. Next, install the sensors in the soil. Connect the sensors to the microcontroller and then program the LED indicators for different health states. Finally, add the plants and calibrate the system. Green thumb tip: choose plants with similar care requirements for easier monitoring. Time for a high-tech treasure hunt in nature. Here's what you'll need: weatherproof QR code stickers, a smartphone or tablet with a QR reader, and natural objects like leaves, rocks, and so on. First, create QR codes linking to nature facts or tasks. Attach the codes to natural objects or landmarks. Design a map or clue sheet for participants. Then test the hunt and adjust the difficulty as needed. Education. Bonus: include fun facts about local ecosystems in your QR codes. Finally, let's bring the sounds of nature to life. Here's what you'll need: hollow logs or bamboo tubes, small speakers, motion sensors, a microcontroller, and nature sound audio files. First, hollow out the logs or prepare the bamboo tubes. Install the speakers and motion sensors inside. Connect everything to the microcontroller and program it. Load the nature sounds onto the system, and then test and adjust the sensor sensitivity. Immersion. Tip: use sounds native to your local environment for authenticity. There you have it. 5 incredible ways to blend nature and technology. Which project are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.